batteries are Walmart, 810, the big ones, and I'm not sure. They appear to have been put in 2012, but they're still working perfectly fine. I keep them on a trickle charger recycler that helps to desulfate them. I've got the Pictronics ignition in it, and I actually think I have a second gap for them. I have the high performance ignition wire set. I have extra caps, condenser, coil, complete toolkit. Here's the original. I have a spare coil and all the original ignition set, and then I have a, here it is, I have a spare, igniter ignition. So there's one in it, and then I have a spare one also. I think that's the Pictronics. And this is the harmonic balancer for your wheels, because they're off center. I think that pretty well covers everything. The toolkit, everything that comes with it. Chains, hammer, shovel, axe is inside. I have 2 sets of manuals for it as well.